Hey friends, this is Zofar from Teach Technology. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to tell you how you can create Facebook page. So let's start video, but before starting video press the bell icon or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open Facebook. Then press menu. Scroll down and press the page option. Press create button. And start creating your page. First, write the page name. Select some categories. Then give some general information related to your page. At the end, press done. And your page is created. Hope this video is informative for you. Before leaving the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.